Hello beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are doing amazing. So first of all, I apologize for this pretty late video because I was having some exams, but I assure you from now onwards I'll try to upload as much as video tutorials as I'm possible to do so. So in this video we'll learn something new in HTML and CSS, how to create a navigation bar, or you can say simply a menu using HTML and CSS. So let's get started with the VS Code. I have already wrote down this in the pro tab, you can say. And first of all, in this video we will learn how to make the list. List is the main basic, I would say, the pillar to make the navigation bar or any menu, I would say. Then start with the list. How to make list? There are two type of lists. First of all, UL and OL. What stands for UL? UL stands for unordered list, and OL stands for ordered list. Let's get started. The UL here, and under UL unordered list there will be a list items what you want to add in the list. LI, the opening and closing tag, and what you want to say. Say suppose I want to say grocery, and again just copy it, paste it over 3 times, as much as you want to. But I would say the next item is households, and the third item is say suppose furniture. Control S, Ctrl plus B, and open it. So it's here: grocery, households, furniture. So these are the main list with the following with these bullets. So these are says as unordered list. There is no number, no alphabetical order. These are just following with the bullets. These are unordered list. So we are continuing ahead with our ordered list. What is ordered list? OL, again the same LI. I would continue the same thing, but you just have to change the names. So it would be easier to understand what we are trying to say here, how to understand the difference between OL and UL lists. Furniture, Control S, and this. So it's a pretty clear difference. What is the difference between an unordered list and an ordered list? Ordered list is following with the 1, 2, 3 numerical, or you can say you can change it to alphabetical. I'll show you how to do that. And you can also change it to the disk. These are round disks. You can start with a diamond or what you want, or you can also do it with the none. We will show you how to do that, but right now I'm going to show you how to change it the ordered list type. It's with the 1, 2, 3 the numerical order. Say suppose I'm giving you with a capital A, means the alphabetical order with the capital A, B, and C, but in a ordered list. And so suppose I'm going to give it the Norman. It's Roman 1, 2, 3, but the small Roman letters. This with the capital. You can also give it the capital I, and it's continuing with the 1, 2, 3 with the capitals. So it's pretty clear. It's not that difficult. So you can do that. I hope you understand. And there is another list type, that is description list. How to do that? Start with the DL, description list, and in that you have to add a description title, or you can say a description list DT, and in that you have to give the heading. Say suppose I'm giving United States of America, okay. And in this will be a the description title of the list, and in that we have to DD the description, and in that you have to say suppose I'm giving the names of the cities of the United States of America, Chicago. Just copy it over. Okay, change the name. Say suppose New York. Houston and Washington DC. Control S, and let's see how it works. So it's clear the United States of America, these are all are coming under the list, but how being United States of America as the head of the title of the list, and these are the subtitles, you can say also these are working as the list items, and this is the head of the title of that list. So let's get started with our main topic, and that are how to make a navigation bar. It's pretty simple, it's not that difficult. We will use I just let you learn this list types, and because we are going to make this navigation bar menu on the basis of these lists. So let's get started. Remove this all. Oh, my mouse is not working. So let's get started again. I would save it and clear this all and make a new div, and in that div I will open with the closing and opening tag with the unordered list. You can also make with the ordered list, it's up to you. So I would continue with the list items, and in that list items I have to give the link. That is the most necessary things, because you have, say suppose this is a link, so you all, this is a navigation bar, say suppose this complete is a navigation bar, so there are two links. I would have to go to this one. I will click here, so it will work as a link. So a href, then name this as home or whatever you want, and just copy it. I will copy it for around 5 to 6 times. You can do as much as you can, because it depends on your the necessities on which you are making a website. So suppose I'm making a website on the school. I'm making a website of a school. I'm giving a services. I'm giving a name of admissions. I'm giving, suppose, tuition, the fee structure, I would say tuition. Okay, and then I would say contact, and the next one is class, but everyone cares that is about us. So let's continue, Control S and save it. So these are the list items or the unordered list, following with these bullets showing that these are unordered. There are no numerical followings or none the alphabetical order. So these are unordered list, and these are the links, the empty links, because there is nothing given between these href links. No URL is given, so these doesn't work like that. So now onwards, our main body is completed. Now the main thing is we have to style it. In the head section you have to open the style tags, and now you have to continue with the div. Say suppose I'm giving the background color, say suppose teal. Okay, and then Control S, first check it out how it works. Okay, and then I would say the div, the UL, because why I'm giving these spaces, why I'm giving these spaces between that, so it would be clear. Like you can see in the div there is another UL, so we are working right now the UL that is inside the div. So now continue with that, div UL, then again div UL, then li. So div UL and then li. We were working, if you have to work on these li, then we have to give like this. So continue with that, then again the next one div UL li, and then a, if we have to work on these links. Continue with this. Perfect, fine. So now we are going to continue that we have to give the background color. If I have to give it a height of, say suppose 50 pixels, how it works, let's see. So now I do not like navigation bar is the clear one, that it should be in the horizontal way, not in a vertical way. So I just have to make these links, these things in the horizontal way to the left. Just go over here. These are du div. Inside the div there is a ul and there is a li. So these all are the li, the list items. So just go over, then write float, and then write left. Let's see how it works. So it works perfectly fine. And now we have to it looks pretty bad using these bullets, so I just have to remove these bullets. How to remove? So in the div and ul you have to write list style type none. Control S. Let's see, it's looking good. So continue ahead with the paddings, what we have, which padding we have to give and where. So first of all, in the navigation bar, it's looking so bad using these underlines. You can see, first of all, remove these underlines using text decoration and none. Using text decoration none, these underlines will be removed, you can see. And now we have to give a padding. So suppose I'm giving a padding of 10 pixels. Padding is like to give the space between the corners of that particular container, I would say. So there is padding between these all. Okay, and now I would say to change the color. It's looking better with the khaki. Oh great, it's looking so beautiful. So now I have to give, it's like top of this, I would say to give it a line height here, line height 50 pixels. Control S. Oh, perfect, fine. Now the next step is to give the font family that looks beautiful, that whatever you want to give, it depends on you what you like. So I like philosopher. It's already installed in my computer. I will show you in the next tutorial how to install fonts that you like from the website, from the Google, from the internet to your categories. Philosopher. Control S, and look, the font style has been changed and it looks very beautiful. If I would say that I have to give a like hover, that if I touch here, so it would be like something happens over. So I would like do here div ul lia and pseudocode hover. Hover means to, if you click somewhere here, do not click, but if you hover somewhere here, so it will be when there is an arrow right now. If you go somewhere on the link, so there will be a little mouse type thing, little finger, so that should be changed to something new. So I would say change the color to teal, and then change the background color to khaki. Let's see how it works. It's working perfectly fine. It looks so beautiful, but the main thing is it's not covered with this up to this this item here, this thing here. I would say to cover the whole this and the height of this div. Then I would go just simply, oops, I just opened it. So I have to just go and give this items the links display and then block. Let's see how it works. So now it works 100% fine, but it's like overflowing in this div, so it doesn't look good. So just have to give this line height accordingly. So suppose I'm giving line height of 20 pixels. Look how it works now. So it goes some up, give line height of 30 pixels. Oh great, it's looking so beautiful, 100% perfectly fine. So now if I would say, it's like there is nothing, like there is a gap between these all things. If I would say to do not, this gap should be denied. So just give over here padding of 0 pixels in the main content of ul. Okay, So it's working correctly, 100% fine, looks so beautiful. So now give the heading to make it more beautiful, h1, and then I would say my school, control S, and looks, now just have to change the name of these all things, and then in the stylings h1, and then write the color. So suppose I'm giving teal again, I don't know how it works, that looks so beautiful. Perfect. So this is all about this, how to give the introduction into these navigation bars and these all things. I hope I hope that you enjoyed the video and learned something interesting. Meet you in the next video in which we learn how to make a drop down menu to this web pages. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay active. Please like and subscribe if you find little bit of informative this videos. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.